Welcome everybody to a status video. Today is Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth, everybody. Had to make a quick run this morning as soon as I got off work. Had to grab this. Got 2 cases of Game of Life Monopoly. 2 hands of time. Case of hair on the prowl. In this bag right here, 2-inch. I don't even feel like opening that bag, but that's high stakes in there. Dancing Alien is in there. I don't even know what's in that bag neither, but it's something. 241 shot. Pro cake. Firework frenzy. Winning colors. The other half, in case of winning colors, is outside. We're gonna go there in 2 seconds. 99 problems. This is Rowdy Dragon. That's Rowdy Dragon. Thundering Dragon. That was the case of the winning colors that I had opened up already. The rest of the Monopoly. This is a 64 shot in here. The 64 shot Nishiki with blue tail. I don't feel like opening it up. I'm so tired, fellas, man. I'm sorry. Tired as hell. I worked last night and got off last night and went straight on the road to go grab all this shit, man. I'm just getting back now, so I'm tired, man. Got a case of Bloody Spawn Kill. This is a real nice cake, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. This cake is real nice. Real nice. Happy I got my hands on that. Rockets. Had to get some rockets. Bonzo. Mandarinos. Orange. It's a nice size on these balls too, man. And these are real nice size. Look at that size of that. It's nice. Alright. Go back over here now. It's the other half a case of the winning colors. Telling you about inside. Got a full case of UK. Full case UK. Got this for another fellow pyro. Happy I can help other people out. Trump. Full case. Full case of Trump. Another case. Rowdy Dragon. Another one. This cake is heavy and big. I'm not gonna lie, this cake is heavy and big, man. Real good cake. Real good cake. Real good cake. You already know what time it is with Dancing Alien. Dancing Alien, Inevitable. And none of those big ones you can't go wrong, man. We got another Firework Frenzy here. 300 shot. Got another one. Yeah, man, so that's what I did today, man. Friday, another run Friday. And then we're gonna do another run next week again. And probably last week is gonna be the last run, because we gotta start getting our show together too for ourselves too. So that's all what I got, man. Doing it big this year, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. VA Pyro out.